I'm at Blue Mound State Park in Blue Mound, Wisconsin. It's one of the Corp System trails, most technical trail that we have. It's always fun in the fall because it's absolutely gorgeous. The weather is perfect. I used to ride out here a lot back in the day. It was the most technical trail, and on XC hardtails, it was absolutely insane. You'd usually flat once or twice and maybe break a spoke or a derailleur, who knows. This is some of the newer section. It's super fun. Slid out front. Good job there. So beautiful in here. Perfect season for it. Gotta love fall riding. It's just so good. Still on the Gniess trail. It's nice. Ooh, pedal strike. Yeah, that's why you live in Wisconsin, for days like today. Beautiful bike ride, perfect weather. Badgers game tomorrow, Packer game Sunday. Ooh. That's what living in Wisconsin's all about. Holy Schist now. Just skipped that rock garden for the video, but oh well. Nice. This new bike has a lot of pop. Standing, climbing, best bike I've ever owned for that. Ooh. I also like to sit. Oh, it's just beautiful. And holy Schist, what a cool trail name, huh? You can all get behind that. Whew. Ooh, yeah. Didn't need that. Oh well. Oh, should have jumped. That was one of my favorite parts. Oh, this part. Paddle, paddle, paddle. Nope. Let's keep going. Sort of. Oh yeah. Oh, fudge. Not today. Next year. Oh, fudge. Not today. Next year. For the win. That's holy Schist. So much fun. Love it out here. Let's see what we got next. There's a reason I wear pads at this trail. Gives you a lot more confidence. And if you do fall, you'll probably hit a rock. So it's just nice to have that extra sense of security. Yeah, that's the stuff. And this is perfect. Just perfect. It's done. Just gotta take the white loop that gets back towards the parking lot, and yeah, I'm gonna call it a day. So yeah, that's Blue Mound State Park. One of the best trails around, one of the most technical trails around. Probably the most scenic trail south of Levis in Wisconsin. So always a treat, especially in the fall. It's always nice to have a beer here, but I'm going to try a NA beer. Because I have to drive and trying to shed a little weight. So I highly recommend it. Great place. Super fall day. Perfect day to strap on a Camelback, which I don't do that often. And cut out of work early, which I do kind of often, but test some suspension, 2 new SR Suntour tunes on that bike. So yeah, it was a really nice day. Perfect ride for winter hits. Cheers.